Dear student, today we discuss some facts related to graphical methods, equation of motion by graphical methods, methods we find out the equation of motion. My first equation of motion, one by one. First equation is v equal to u plus at. Second is s equal to ut plus half at square. And third is v square equal to u square plus 2as. By graphical method we discuss here one by one. For this, first of all we draw an axis such as this is x-axis, x dash, and now second here y dash, and this is origin points. We know that after some times an objects come from O to A. Let an object start to move and come at A. After some times that object will be on B. And in this case you see that here velocity is initial velocity, that is u, and this is the final velocity. Here this is final velocity b here. Now in construction we can draw it here. So in construction we also draw this as here. Now A, B, C, D and E. From construction we see that this value is AO is U, then also this value will be U, and EO here AO equal to CD equal to U meter per second, and OE equal to BD equal to V meter per second. Now anyone can say what will be the difference of this. Hence BC equal to V minus U, and here next thing I let T, this value will be T, and again T, this is T. So in this case now this value, this region represents the slope of objects. That objects we start from the O to A, and after B then comes from D to A. Now here slope will be A to B, that will be V minus U by T. V minus U by T. This, but we also know A equal to V minus U by T. This is the change in velocity by time. That will be, this value represents after multiplying V minus U equal to AT, hence V equal to U plus AT. Similarly we can find out the value for second cases. For value equation of second equation, for second equation again we draw it, this graph, and we solve s equal to ut plus half at square. For this value we again draw x-axis, that is x dash, y dash. This is origin. After some times, that objects come at a point, and this will be again same at b points. Here we connect such as, and again we construct such as. Here time is t, and given data will be AO, this is U, again C, D, E. This value will be how much? This will be also V, this will be V, and here U. So this will be V minus U, and this value is T. Now distance covered by an object. Distance covered by an object will be O, will be from O, A, B, C, D, and O. Distance covered by an object will be from O to O. In this case, this figure will be covered in such as, this is the shaded regions, and this regions is such as here. Equal to area of shaded regions, and this region will be area of rectangle plus area of triangle, and here area of triangle, area of rectangle will be how much? Area of rectangle will be how much? Anyone? U into T, length into breadth, plus half base into height, and this value will be ut plus half. Here base is given t, and height is v minus u. Now from equation first, we see that v minus u will be equal to at. Hence ut plus half t into at, that equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Now similarly we find third equations. For third equations we also get similar path. An objects move from O to A, then B, then C, then D, and again O. So this will be the shaded regions indicated by trapeziums. Now for equation third, we get same process on same methods. In this case, area of trapezium will be how much? Area of trapezium O, A, B, C, D, and O. How much? Anyone? Half into sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel side into height. Half into sum of parallel side is u plus v. Here u plus v, u is AO and v is B to D into height. Here height is this and T. Now 1 by u into u plus v, and now putting the value of T from equation first. Here v minus u by how much? A. This value comes from A equal to v minus u by T, and hence T equal to v minus u by A. So now put the value of this here, equal to half into v minus u, v square u square. We can write it here, and A. So after multiplying s equal to v square minus u square by 2a, hence 2a s equal to v square minus u square, hence v square equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation. Thanks.